Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, something very funny just happened, and I'll tell you about it at the end of this video. Okay, thank you for coming back to my channel. Please give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, Nancy Pelosi is talking again this week. Talking. She's saying that we need to honor the heroes. While this is true, I would ask of her, while she's dragging her feet and holding out until she gets exactly what she wants, how is that honoring our heroes? I would also ask, when will she honor the American people with a stimulus check and a stimulus package? She is just like everyone else in Washington. All they do is talk and no action. It makes me think of the old Elvis Presley song, a little less talk, little less conversation, and a little more action, please. Because all this conversation is aggravating me. He had it right. Y'all, I don't know if the heroes is going to get the extra pay or not. I believe they should get it. They deserve it. A lot of people will say, well, they were still getting paid. They didn't lose their job. That's true. But at that time, we didn't know how really to protect ourselves from COVID. So that means they was putting their life on the line to make our life a little more comfortable. So I do believe they deserve a little extra for that. And I want to take this opportunity to thank every one of them right now. Y'all, I did finish the self-publishing mastering course, so I will be going over it in the next 2 days. And I will be sending it out on October the 1st to all the people that already signed up for it. And if you want to sign up for it, the link is in the description box below. Y'all, this course is going to be good. I believe you're going to enjoy it. It's a short course. It's not going to take but like a week to finish it. And at the end of that week, you will have your book finished. Y'all, I love you all. We will get out of this by the grace of God. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And until tomorrow, I love you all. Ciao. Oh, I'm sorry. Come back. Don't go away. I was going to tell you what was funny at the beginning of this video. I hit record, and wouldn't you know it, just as soon as I start talking, I let out a giant sneeze on film. Thought about leaving it, but no, y'all don't want to see that. But to me, it was funny. I got a warped sense of humor, I know. But it made me laugh at my own self. I love you all. Ciao.